Hello everybody, today is Friday the 24th of January and I got my package I was waiting for since July. It is from Painterbox and it is a painting with very many colors. And I'm gonna do an unboxing because I am missing some Painterbox videos on YouTube. So, gonna unpack that. Okay, I'm trying that. My bad setup, I don't even see what's on camera. Okay, so Painterbox is a company from Germany and they have a bit longer time to deliver, and this has been especially long because they had a malfunction with a manufacturer last year in January and they are still catching up on things, and that's why it takes longer. But I heard it's worth the wait. Also, I do have one from a D-Stash and their canvas is even softer than the one from Diamond Art Club. Okay, so here's the painting, which is really as soft as the other one. So I got those birds. 5 birds, and they could be my family. This could be my little sister, my mom, my dad, my older sister and me. Okay, and they are known to have very confetti heavy paintings. So here is the picture. It has 250 colors. I took one in round because I can do the rounds, and then here you have a sticker sheet for all of the colors, for all the 470 colors that are possible, DMC colors, but they're not all in this picture. Like here you have the legend, 1 page, 2 page, there's 3 pages of things. Then you also get a little flyer. They make those painter boxes. I think that's how they started, where you can store your drills. And they're a small shop which got bigger. And they're working very hard for a year already, and before that too. But I do hope they catch up on their things, because they have many customers who are annoyed. And they really work day and night, or it sounds like they work a lot to catch up. So in here are all the diamonds, all the 250 colors in baggies. Okay, and with the first order, because it's the first order from the shop, you get a special toolkit, and this is that. So you get a huge tray, a card tray, and you can use the lid as well as the under thingy to diamond paint. Oh, what else? Then there's some wax and a pen, and this is a nice one because I like it a bit lighter and a bit smaller, and a very nice and colorful tweezers. I don't know if it's a good one, but take that out. Also, there are some multi-placers in here, and this is perfect. This is really very light and small. Oh, and there's a glue dot or something. Okay, so that is that. That was already the unboxing. But I also want to go on. Maybe I take the camera down and give you a closer look at the canvas. You can see there's a lot of confetti happening, but on the other hand, it's also manageable. There's a Facebook group, and people sometimes post in there when they don't know what symbol it is, but as far as I can see, this is very nicely printed, so I can see that very well. Yeah, those are my birdies, and that is it. It is 1 meter by 60, 1 meter by 55. It's called Birds in the Line. It's from Pixel Pix, and it's very nice, very light, soft, I think I got the snail Zora, which is a bit softer on the back. But it's very, very flexible, very thin actually, but it feels good. Okay, and for that, I have ordered this storage case a long time ago. It has 240 bottles. 240, that's 80 per layer. So here's a layer. And then there's another 2. So I just I'll close this one and open the next one. And then I can open it like this and have 2 layers of trays in here, and I can take that out. It's on that foam thingy. And this is 240. My picture has 250 colors. So either I leave 10 in the bags, or I've also worked on finishing another painting. Here I have 60 more storage things, because also the snail I have has 300 colors. So then it's perfect. Yeah, and they always have the same symbol. That's fascinating with Painterbox. So you could actually keep your drills there, or maybe you should check the die lot if it's the same color, but the symbol is always the same for the same color. That's very cool. So you could have a storage with 447 things, and then you never have to get down. But I have 250 here and 300 has the other one, but it might not be the same one, so I will have to swap then when I have finished this one and can do Zora. But I was waiting for this one very long. So I'm gonna sort my diamonds, check it on the list, and then kit up. So I just took out the postage, and now I can take it apart, because here I have my stickers, and here I have my colors that I actually need. And I would go through one by one and just put the stickers on the things first, and then I will sort my diamonds and maybe kit up at the same time. So I have 150, which is the first one. That's that one. And then I have 151, 152, 153, 153, 154, 157. So no 5, no 6, 157. Okay. 57, 158, and 160. Okay, so by the end, I will have some leftovers here. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So I got my first layer down. I came to colons, 2.5 pillars, and now I have them all this way. Normally I would have it that way, but it's easier to stick it on like this. And I will use that as a control mechanism, because I think I'm just gonna grab the bags and look for the numbers, then I fill it in, and once I filled it in, I put it like this. So in the end, I will see if all of them are like this, because it could also be that I have an empty thingy because some colors are missing. The other way around would be to just check all the bags with the things first and pile them and see if you have them all. And I think I've done it already once. I had a color missing, and it's hard to figure that out when you don't see where you have stuff in it and where not. I have a raindrop on the on the banister outside, and now it fell off, but it had like a prisma. It looked like there was a, what's it called, a crystal. So I had a rainbow just in my eye. Okay, and I need to take a break because my hand. So another look into here, and I just seeing that those numbers on here are very nice and very big. And you can also see on the packing sheet, or the one that belongs to the picture, you see this will be 2 packs of things, or 1. It refers to packs of 200, I think, because in here there's only just 1 pack always, but they're bigger or smaller, and then you can kind of estimate if it's the correct amount. And also you have the grams, and I don't remember, but it could be 2 grams is 200 diamonds, or 63. Last page. 63 is 303 diamonds. So 1 gram is about 200, I think. Yeah, I can look that up somewhere. Yeah, that seems about right. Cool. So you can check it a bit. And if you have missing diamonds or drills, then you can still ask them to get the missing ones. And they are very friendly. I've been in this Facebook group, and I think they keep their cool very much, because it is very shitty when something like that happens and you are behind with work and you really try and work a lot, and then yeah, you can cancel your order if you want to, because instead of 3 months, one has to wait 6 or months or longer, and not everybody has that patience, and well, that's okay too, but it's still annoying to read all those angry comments and yeah, things that go on. I found it easy to wait for that long, and except for the last week when I thought now it's gonna be soon. Then my anticipation got very big, and this is my first real one, and yeah. And here they all are on my table. So, and I guess I will still pile them. So I will sort by hundreds first, and then maybe sort within that thing, or maybe not. So 50, 500 something, 7, closer to 5, and 6 here in the middle. So I can double check, double and triple check. I need to do that anyway because I'm often wrong about things. Yeah. 632. 3,000. Okay, so I'm actually doing it like this. I have them a bit sorted. I hate that thing. I need a better thing. Ugh. This shitty wire thing is just annoying. Okay, I stand up for that quickly. So I have my things here. I'm taking my next thingy. I have them kind of sorted because they were also in a row sometimes. So I check the number 154, and then usually I put them in my tray first and then put them in here. I don't use funnels or things. And so far, even though I don't want to say it, there's no static. So those are quite easy going in there. And I'm just going one by one, and then I will see if I'm missing one. Okay, I hate that thing. Sorry. I've tried so many things with, not so many, but just not a thing that solved it. Now I put it like this. Okay, so I have this crap thingy, which really pisses me off, because you can barely put it somewhere, and then once you put it in, it goes down, and it's very hard to reach somewhere, because if I want to reach there, I have it that low, and if I have it that high, I can only make a very, very shrag angle, and then you don't see the picture right. And then I have that thingy there. This one, it tips over. It goes. Maybe it's a bit better if I use it at the highest point or something. Maybe use that again. I would like to have something like that with a stiff, but one with a joint thingy. I am sorry, that really, really annoys me. I used to have it over there. That's kind of okay. That's better. Yeah, I just had pizza. I'm on my coffee and I'm angry. It's a shitty day. I am sorry. I hope next year's better. I'm sorry for complaining. So when I have a shitty day, I cannot keep it in. I have leftovers now in this bag, and I think I'm going to put it under my drills, and that's why I'm filming it, because I might not find them again. I could also put them all in here, but they will always tip out, and maybe that works. So I might try that. Well, after 1 or 2 hours of doing the first layer, I got my first 80 done. I had to take a break because my hands, and also I got very, very tired. And now I wanna prepare my canvas a bit. I took a nap and got up again, had some cake just to give you background info. And I want to prepare my first stripe, which I want to do. And I am using a stitch opener from my sewing machine to cut the plastic. And also I have release paper, which I cut into smaller stripes. This is 20 centimeters by 5. So this is the amount I'm allowed to do per day. With my hands. I'm very pissed off. So I want to do that. So this is kind of upside down and inside out. I'm taking 20 centimeters, which is here. So let's see how long it's to cover it. Maybe I want to cover the whole glue, so I go one further and then I just cut through, and I find that very hard to stay on this line because I don't know, I kind of lose it. Okay. I have a full-on picture. Well, I lost it. I don't know if I'm on the same line still. Yeah. Okay. And then just want to peel open my thingy and put down well, that's so hard to see where it goes. Okay. And then I just put them all down. And in the end, when I have done all that with diamonds, I will put the plastic back over and stick it down with tape, because it gets less hair on it, because this is around. There's a lot of stickiness still around those drills, and that's why I do it like this. Kinda, yeah, I don't know. And I can go further. I don't see where the plastic goes. That's also why I do the release paper. You see it better. You have to do it till here. Okay, one more. Yeah. And then I would like to find those, and I can also start like this and just have half of it or something. Let's just do that. And in the end, I will put it on a hanger, which I have here, and then I can put also my leftover strips on it, on the clamp where I have it. Okay, I'm so angry. Okay, I wanted to get started, so I just put some, which I have from that square. This has all those colors. And I just looked for those, and now I'm going to place some drills. Now that's only one. Come on, turn around. So. Okay, because I wonder how they are. And then I have the next one. Just not that many. Oh, I forgot one. I forgot one. I won't find it. It's very sticky. I need to place with my left hand, and then my right-handed person. And I need to look for that other one. So here it is. The first square. They lie nicely. Yeah. I mean, those are the 939s and the 310s were there too. And the 939s always are a bit smaller or something. But I think that looks all right. Yeah. So it is the next day and I developed a murder cough overnight. I will just finish this vlog here. I thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one.